Hi guys. So the sledding is a little bit crazy and Albie's going crazy. I don't know. Albie! Albie! Hi buddy! Can't really see him very well. Oh, there he is. But I'm just leaving my mom's. I worked from her house today and got a lot done. Changed my lesson plans up due to the switch. And yeah, we got a lot done. So I am now changing out of Crocs into sneakers so that we can go to this cool little park thing that they've made. Basically, I think it's supposed to be mainly for kids, but they've got some really cool things and some history and stuff about the area there. So I think I'm gonna take Albie, who is clearly got enough energy for a walk. So I'll show you guys when we get there. So we haven't even left the car part yet. We've already got a bag of shame. And Albie's already barked at another dog, so with a poor little old lady who definitely was judging us. But let's see if we can get this guy on a walk, and we're literally right next to the highway. But look, it's all decorated for like Christmas. A little gingerbread house, so let's see what we get into. So we're already back at the car because bag number 2, and it was the last bag I had in that pack. So we came back to get another pack so we can actually enjoy this walk. What do you think? Let's go. Alright, let's see. This trail is half a mile. Maybe I'll be like that. It's so cute. There's all these random, like, if you come over here, there's a little cross. Or there's a flower. There's just random little things that they set up. What up? That are cute that kids can look for when they're on the trail. Albie's just excited because we've never been here before, so he just wants to smell everything. Right, Al? and now he's nervous to be on this trail. Do you want to go back? Want to go on a different one? Nope. Okay, he's back in the game. Let's go. Like right here, you guys, they have this cute sitting area to our right. How cute is that? And you can just sit and listen to the water, have lunch with your family. Love that. Most of the stuff that's around has things blocked off so you can't sit on them or use them because of COVID. But it's alright, we take what we can. And there's the water. Normally this would be higher, but we have not gotten much rain this year. So unfortunately it's pretty low. Ready to go back, Alb? Albie! Albie, you ready? Okay. Babe, where are we going this late at night?
I hope my uncle.
Because guess what? It's not even late. What time is it?
There you go.
It is literally only 5:36. Friends out here making fun of me because they didn't have any straw or lids or silverware, and he wants me to try my food. He wants me to do it without any silverware. Okay, so let's give it a go. All right, y'all. Ben swears by Qdoba, loves it. So I'm gonna try it. It's been years. I've only ever tried it like once, maybe twice before this. And if I don't like it, guess where we're going?
Taco Bell.
Taco Bell. So we'll see.
Because somebody's slightly picky with their food.
Holla. Thank you. All right. I'm nervous. Grab it all.
That's a no. It's seasoned beef, isn't it? And it's seasoned rice. Let me see.
Alrighty, so we're going to Taco Bell. Oh, that's hot. And their cherry vanilla was out. Well, just cherry was out, and I love cherry vanilla Coke, so I got
Well, that's such a shame.
Dr. Pepper.
Such
I know.
a shame you didn't like this.
Straight first world problems, but we're gonna go to Taco Bell and then we're gonna go home and eat. Alright guys, so it's kind of dark. We're at the gas station because Ben needed to get some gas, but figured I would end the vlog here because we're just gonna eat and relax for the rest of the night. I'll maybe do some homework. So see you guys in the next one. Please like, comment, or subscribe. We want to get to know you. So have a great night.